What's up? It's Alex Grimm, and yes, this is my desktop. And those are the clear ghost windows, and that's an active one because you can see the glow around it. And this is all like old footage from what was it? 2014, like mid 2014, and then I had like a computer problem that like messed up the drive that everything was on, that on this video I was going to make for you to put out these like not even finished ghost windows. And then but I had the raw footage still on another drive, and so like, you know, I've like kept this footage. I'm showing you footage that I've screen capped like a year and a half ago or something. You know, I was like rebuilding this drive, and like, you know, I mean, you could tell it's a rebuild. I don't even have like those folders aren't like my black with purple trim folders, and the icons are like aren't different and stuff. It's all like the standard, typical stuff. Anyway, but like, yeah, I when I was rebuilding, I was like, well, why don't I just make a little video with the ghost windows and just kind of put those out, because I had like stopped working on the ghost windows. This is like, you know, I've got too much other stuff to do than to like, you know, frivolously waste my time making these windows and stuff, you know. But I did waste some time making them, and it was in Windows Style Builder, and I was just like, you know what? You know, I'm working on my purple glass. Everyone's seen my purple glass, okay? But like, I think it'd be easy if I could just like delete a bunch of stuff off of it instead of like adding stuff, and just make it like a total clear like theme. Okay, so that's kind of what I did, and I called it Ghost, and I kind of worked those up in like November 2013, and then I kind of stopped. I went on to other stuff, but you can attach it to even like here I've got it attached to my Sony Vegas video editing program and stuff. I mean, you can do that through the Black Glass Enhanced that I just had opened up and shit, which I'll get into, okay? But I just wanted to show you, like, you know, right off, like, you know, what we're getting into here, like what it looks like. All right, so let's do this. And for those that don't know, that video desktop background there is kind of stuttering because I'm using ATube Catcher to screen cap this. Here's like some camera footage of it. But we'll get into video desktop backgrounds and all that shit in another video. Okay, this is just the ghost window. Somebody requested this, and it's not the first time because they saw me mention it, and like, I decided, you know, well, you know, that's a reasonable request. I can do that for you. Now, for those already set up to run custom themes, you know, you can just drop the folders that I'm giving you, not the stuff you need to install one, but all the ghosts, and just bring them over to the you know the folder where you put it, the Windows resources, themes, you know. I mean, really, you know, if you're like an experienced custom themer, just go to the link and download it, and you know what to do. There's nothing that special here. But you know, the rest of this video is for the people that aren't custom themers. So let's get to it. Alright, and the stuff you need to install. There is the Black Glass Enhanced and the Universal Theme Patcher. These are mine. I used them. I didn't make them. I mean, but these are the ones I use personally all the time. So, you know, I'm not giving you anything weird here. You choose the Universal Theme Patcher that best suits your Windows. There is a 64-bit or 32, and you know, do all their yes and all that thing, and go through each one of these patches. Hit yes, patch, okay, yeah. Just go through it. It'll detect what needs to be patched on your system. All right, and you just patch it. Yeah. You'll have to pull a restart and everything. Alright, so now that you've restarted the computer and everything, let's get to Black Glass Enhanced, which is probably the coolest program that has ever come out for customizing Windows. Why? Well, I can't say that. It's one of the top ones. Just because it allows everything that's black on a theme to become transparent. That's what it makes the glass and everything happen. You know, I remember when I first started this, I thought it was some this full glass .exe that they had. Okay, exe, but it's the one that gets used the most that I actually like, and it's real simple, and it really is black glass enhanced. You love this. Okay, and all these little slots here, you'll just want to put the name of the program, like the .exe name of it, in here, and hit enable to restart. So when it starts up again, it enables on startup so that it's always on, and you'll always have the clear windows and shit. Anyway, and then you'll save changes and everything and shit, you know. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. I mean, but like, you'll get your black glass enhanced set up, and then, you know, if you've gotten your custom theme patcher done and your black glass enhanced set up, you could do just about any custom theme you want, even the ghost windows. I mean, that's basically how it works. Here's something. If you've never done custom theming, after I did the custom theming the first time, it did this like connection manager, you know, failed BS. Okay, like every time I start up the computer, I see this connection manager thing. Okay, and I guess I can't use my Bluetooth or something like that. I don't know. It depends on your computer. I'm using an HP, all right? But, you know, that's just something you might want to be aware of before you do this. There's like little things like that might happen. That's it. Anyway, if you click on the little theme icon, or just the theme, you know, the theme in the actual folder, it'll change it to this. And that doesn't look very ghosty, right? It's like, what are you giving me, Grove? Well, you're supposed to go and click on the theme pack too in there. Like you saw, like the theme, and underneath it, I've got like the extra little theme pack, the actual style that I use. And you click on that, and it will give you all the settings that I use in the sliders in the custom advanced area of your personalization settings. By the way, if you don't even know how to get to the personalization here, just, you know, right click on the desktop there anywhere and go down to personalize at the bottom of that. You know, if you don't know stuff like that, you know, you're way ahead of yourself. You need to go study stuff like that. Just learn simple things. I mean, you mostly, if you're a noob, just make sure you find you go to your C folder, and you find the Windows folder, and you go to Resources in Windows, and you go to Themes and Resources, and you put your themes in there. That's where you find the folder that's important. Okay, all you gotta do is remember that. All right, and you know, just about everything else, you know, it's kind of self-explanatory. This isn't rocket science. It's just people don't really talk about it that much. You know, or at least they don't talk about it the way they should, you know. But, yeah, these designs, they're all like, basically I took my purple glass and just stripped stuff off of it and stuff. In fact, I was it the purple? Yeah, it was the purple glass, because if I used the other glass I have, it might not have been as clear. So I had to use like my straight up purple glass, my favorite theme, to get it to be like as clear as possible. So yeah, this is just like my purple glass with like nothing, you know. It's like, you know, the empty purple glass. It's like the ghost purple glass. And you can see like the little X out in the you know, the little buttons up at the top and stuff like that. They're like I made them to where they wouldn't be there unless you actually put your cursor over them. You can see that, okay? I tried to make it as like not there as possible. I mean, just to go along with the idea. But yeah, you know, if you're into clear windows, and I've had it requested, this is for you. A warning though, I mean, the reason why I don't use these all the time and you see me use the purple glass is because I found out, like, way back when, like, mid 2013, like early 2013, when I first started experimenting with the glass. If you go back and look at my videos, you'll find the one, okay? And, like, I even had, like, folders like this because I didn't find those special icons until, like, 2 days after I made that video. Anyway, but, like, you know, I've been using this stuff for quite a bit, and, like, I've noticed the first thing in any of these clear themes, if you've got white behind it, like the Google homepage is like open up behind one of your windows, you can't read crap. It's just unreadable. Okay, so, like, you have to tint the glass so that doesn't happen. Right, that's why I use the purple glass. So yeah, that should be it. I mean, you know, of course, you know, it's stored in a RAR, an archive file when you download it, and it's like, you know, if you don't know how to unarchive stuff, it could, you know, mess with your head. Okay, I mean, but, you know, if you don't know how to unarchive stuff, you're, like, way ahead of yourself. That's why people get all pissed and stuff, and I don't explain everything to them. It's just like, you know what? If you're looking at what I'm showing you, like, this level of stuff, and you don't even know how to unarchive a archive file or something, I mean, you're in big trouble to begin with. You don't get pissed at me. You should be pissed at yourself for not going out and studying this stuff your fucking self.
Fuck that Alex Grimm guy. I'm gonna give him a thumbs down because I don't know what a left click is.
You know, I mean, you know, if you're, like, already, like, you know, computer challenged, you know, don't come to my videos and complain. You're just computer challenged. In any case, I'll just leave it there. Grimm out.